Welcome to this comprehensive review of Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. Binance is known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading tools, and user-friendly platform. In this video, we'll dive deep into everything Binance has to offer, including its core functionalities, standout features, and how to navigate the platform effectively. Upon entering Binance, users are greeted by a sleek and intuitive interface that simplifies crypto trading. Whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a lesser-known altcoin, Binance offers a massive range of trading pairs to meet your needs. The exchange caters to both beginners and experienced traders by offering basic and advanced trading modes. The basic mode provides straightforward options for purchasing cryptocurrencies with fiat, while the advanced mode unlocks a suite of tools like real-time charting and indicators. Binance prioritizes security and transparency, employing advanced security measures such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold wallet storage for user funds. Additionally, Binance Academy offers free educational resources, ensuring users can build their trading knowledge at their own pace. For those on the move, the Binance mobile app provides seamless functionality for trading, monitoring, and managing assets anytime, anywhere. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. For traders who seek automation, Binance offers tools like Binance Futures and staking options. Futures trading lets users speculate on crypto prices with leverage, while staking allows them to earn rewards on their holdings by participating in network validation processes. Binance Peer-to-Peer (P2P) platform also makes it convenient for users to buy and sell crypto directly with others using their local currencies. One of the most attractive features of Binance is its competitive fee structure. Users benefit from low trading fees, which can be further reduced by using Binance Coin (BNB) for transactions. The platform's flexible deposit and withdrawal options accommodate a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers and credit cards, ensuring accessibility for users worldwide. Binance doesn't just stop at trading. It's a comprehensive crypto ecosystem. The Binance Smart Chain (BSC) supports decentralized finance, DeFi, projects and non-fungible tokens (NFTs), creating opportunities for innovation and investment. With frequent updates and features being added regularly, Binance remains a leader in the cryptocurrency space. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to stay updated on the latest in cryptocurrency trading and platform reviews.